Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization message on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you can do in this case. Since your Windows security is managed by your organization, if you use a work or school account, there's nothing you can do other than talking to the IT administrator of your company, and actually you should not alter it. Here's why they lock this Windows security on your system, because if you are working for an organization, then you should not be altering these properties, because otherwise anyone can intrude into the computer. Now, if you are using a home computer, what can you do in this case? Like you were on a domain earlier, but now you're on a home computer. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar. You cannot alter this, but you can go to app settings, scroll down, click on terminate, click on repair, click on reset, and click on reset once again. This is if you're using a home computer. For an organization computer, this will not work. And then reboot your system and check if it helps. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.